Noun gender. Gender means something is identified as masculine or feminine. Kinds of noun gender. There are 4 kinds of noun gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Masculine gender. It is used to refer a male member of any species. Example: man, boy, actor. Feminine gender. It is used to refer female figure or female member of any species. Example: woman, girl, actress. Masculine feminine. Uncle, aunt. Fox, vixen. Widower, widow. Son, daughter. Nephew, niece. Host, hostess. Waiter, waitress. Husband, wife. Wizard, witch. Bull, cow. Common gender. A noun denotes either a male or female, is known as common gender. Example: friend, neighbor, client. Doctor, teacher, painter, singer, and child. Neuter gender. Neuter means neither male or female. It denotes lifeless things. Example: ball, car, pencil. Brush, cup, bottle, spoon, and bed.